Hi, this is Mark from Altcoin Buzz, and today we're going to take another look at Bitcoin as we get started on a new week and see what might be coming. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are on the USD 1 week chart. It looks like we're going to close this week up sitting right on the 200 moving average. That's a very key area for Bitcoin because everybody's looking at that as a historical area for Bitcoin to be able to bounce off of. I don't have as much confidence that we will. I think the likelihood of breaking through the 200 week moving average and coming back into these levels here, somewhere around the $2,800 to $2,500 range, is pretty realistic. We've got declining volume over the last 3 or 4 weeks. And you can see on the VPVR, if that does happen, if we do break below where we're at on the 200-day moving average, right around that $3,200, it's a pretty quick descent down into 28, that area. Now we're on our daily with the hike and the she candles. Not many numbers have changed. 3450 is our resistance at this point in time. And those blue arrows at the bottom are Monday openings, which typically are continuing the trend on higher volume. And then finally, we'll wrap up with the 4-hour chart. We've got a pretty clear trading channel up here on the top, that horizontal resistance line. This was our head and shoulders. This is the measured move out of the head and shoulders, which puts us at $3,000. $3,000 would also put us at a Fibonacci level of 232, which is our first stop on a Fibonacci, obviously at 232. Looking for horizontal support at 3150. Other indicators are starting to roll over on the 4-hour. You see that roll over here in the chart, going down and retesting close to this horizontal support level wouldn't be out of the question, which would mean that theoretically sometime tomorrow with some volume, we could see ourselves testing that $3,000. Okay, so to summarize, I wouldn't be surprised if we test that $3,000 area sometime tomorrow or Tuesday. We have too much downward pressure from the moving averages. We have declining volume happening right now, so that testing of that $3,000 area, maybe getting into a $3,000 to $3,200 trading range by Tuesday, to me, doesn't seem out of the realm of possibility. And that's going to be a very psychological level, a very key level. It's an even number. It's a very psychological trading area for us, so there'll be a lot of bulls defending that $3,000 price point. We don't have a real potential for a short squeeze right now. They're not sitting at their all-time highs. And even when we did have them sitting at their all-time highs, we didn't really see that short squeeze that we'd all like to see, where you start getting a dynamic move on the prices. So I could easily see us falling into a $3,000 to $3,250 trading range over the next week or so, get some equilibrium. But if we get any bear action that comes into the market at that point in time, that $2,800 is pretty realistic. Well, I know it's been a short one. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to leave that collectible wallet address if you have an Engine wallet down below so I can send you an Altcoin Buzz collectible coin. Also visit us on Altcoin Buzz.io where our writers write all day long and put out all that great content to keep you up on what's going on in the market so that you don't get wrecked. And until next time, may all your trades be good ones.